This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a header on Elementor. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate Elementor's theme builder. This powerful feature allows you to design custom headers that perfectly match your brand. You can start with a blank canvas or choose from many pre-designed templates. This process gives you complete creative control over your website's top section, ensuring a professional and unique look for all your visitors. Once in your WordPress dashboard, find Elementor in the left-hand menu and click on Templates, then Theme Builder. Here, you'll see an option to add a new header. Click this, and Elementor will present you with two choices. Either select one of their professionally designed header templates to get a head start, or begin with a completely blank canvas to build your header from the ground up. Both options offer full customization. Now for the fun part, designing. Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it simple. You can add essential elements like your site logo, a navigation menu, and even a search bar. Experiment with different column layouts and adjust their widths to achieve your desired look. Don't forget to customize the colors, fonts, and background to align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. There are hundreds of styling options available. After perfecting your header's design, the final crucial step is setting its display conditions. Click the Publish button, and Elementor will ask where you want this header to appear. You can choose to display it across your entire website, on specific pages, or even exclude it from certain areas. Once you've set your conditions, simply save and close. Your brand new, custom-designed header will then be live for all your visitors to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.